Dude, this microphone picks up everything on my sound card. Like when I was using it on my onboard, I had to like just yell at it. Like it was just like I don't know, like a terrible child that wouldn't listen, and I was like a bad father. Like that's the kind of yelling I had to do at it for it to like even respond. But now like I just scratch my ass and it's like crystal clear. It's enlightening.
Burn. Catacombs. Dungeon map.
We need our fifth guy.
Someone's getting lucky.
We need our fifth guy. I don't think we have enough explosions. It doesn't feel like true scorched earth yet.
Yeah, with five of us, it was really nice. More like this.
Well, that was
Delicious.
that was quite the bukkake fest.
Yeah,
With all these discharges, yeah.
especially with him named Thunderfist.
Ah!
Yeah, a pun man.
If I had a porn star name, I'd want it to be the Fist and Piston.
Really? Really,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah, really. Piston.
Another map.
Arsenal map. There's a map over here.
Oh, sweet. Getting all the maps.
You lucky bastard. Oh, it's not even a white map.
Wait, another one?
No, I mean the map we're playing right now.
Oh,
I
yeah.
thought it was a white map because of all the map drops.
No, apparently if they're blue, I also get tons of maps.
Apparently. The god of
we
RNG
have-
likes you.
Yeah. Maybe it's cause you started the right religion.
You're his prophet, man.
I don't want, like... I want higher level maps, not more maps. Like, yeah, I can, like, use the recipe and transmute them up. But, like, it's really not worth spending, like, 27 66s to make, like, what would that do?
You know, Kaduku works in mysterious ways, man.
I'll transmute all of my personal maps. Encrypt maps. Arsenal, I
overgrown
just
room
send
that's-
her because Arsenal's the worst fucking thing ever.
And the overgrown room gives you sewers, which is awesome.
That's the stuff.
It's like a fireworks show.
Just more intimate.
Should I be playing the Star Spangled Banner right now?
No, man. Doesn't have to be American.
Well, I could do the Russian anthem. That'll work.
Do you know the Russian anthem?
No,
Oh, I
it
love that
sounds
one.
patriotic as shit.
It sounds fucking awesome, man. It's
Like,
brutal.
I would stand up and salute that. I wouldn't know what the fuck I was doing, though. It's just like,
Oh, hell yeah.
God, dude, when I lived in Bolivia, like the city anthem there was, like, it didn't even sound like an anthem. It sounded like a party song. It was like, Viva Santa Cruz, Viva, Viva Santa Cruz.
Awesome shit.
Yeah, I'm serious.
And I think we're done.
How you doing?
Just fine, Hargan. I don't even know if that's good or not. Seems bad. I'll just throw it away, figure it out later. Freeze mine.
Well, it looks nice.
So, catacombs, because no one wants to run arsenal. Or a dungeon. Catacombs or
Hey,
dungeon?
dungeon.
Alright, catacombs it is.
Alright.
LA weakness and monster speed. Is that fine?
I don't like LA weakness.
Alright.
That's my fire resist at like 40.
How's this? Give me a white map and I'll get we'll run it or something.
Fucking! I've rolled like temp chains and then minus max resist and then temp chains and then like elemental equilibrium. I'm like, can we get like something that isn't incredibly slow?
Run it
Okay.
white.
There we go.
Alright, yeah, I'll kit.
No, I got it. Dude,
Okay.
I got tons of these.
No, I just got traded map.
Oh, okay.
And look, this is actually quite nice. Let's do it.
Slow regen.
Slow region.
Is that a problem?
I thought Sciamancer had a problem with that.
I can deal with it.
Yeah, I can deal with it.
Yeah, it has nice numbers. Shall I set it up?
The double boss thing is kind of irritating. Yeah, join my instance. Always try to reuse like the same lab in groups, because people get lost.
Right.
And like with a whole bunch of us, we all crush portals naturally. So, I mean, in single player, like you go in once and there's 5 more portals. So
Yeah, no, of course, of course. You make sense, good sir.
Did you know that when you put like a ton of lime into an old E800, it becomes like a gourmet beer? Kind of like the same version of gourmet you'd find in like a thrift shop. Where it's not really gourmet, it's just like, now it can be called that because it's not as bad as it was.
You lost me, man.
That's like what a heavily limed up old E800 is.
Oh, right. So, Io, do we split the map jobs here?
You can get all the maps under 69. I'll get all
Yeah,
the
I got a
70
bog
plus
map.
maps.
I have a level 70 map from this now. Like, it was your map, my Ulk. Do you want the map? Or do you want to split the...
I would prefer the maps.
Alright, yeah, we've been running a lot of your maps, so I'll trade it when we're done.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, sure. Well, it means the map already gave a profit.
Well, you can roll that map too. And just keep all the maps. I'm not that... I don't care that much about maps.
Just trying to
I think
keep
the map
things
just means that
gentlemanly.
you have to like alchemy and chaos it.
Well, I would like to do higher level maps. So, I'll Ulk this one as well. And who knows?
Yeah, you can just keep all the maps in that chain.
If you need any orbs of alchemy, I have like a lot of them.
I need 2 divinariuses. That's all. Not much. Or just a few exalts. Yeah, that'll do.
Well, I could vendor my combs. That'll give us 6 shards of alchemy. That'll put us real close to our goal.
Yeah, you're right, man.
I can give you a wisdom trap for it.
I think that's a bit much, really.
That's like the sickest deal.
I think he should give you a chaos and the Kaoms for that wisdom scrap. I mean, you're still getting screwed over, but you know, at least you'll have the Kaoms.
And a chaos.
You should trade it for the Kaom's ring.
Comb suck.
Of course, man.
I already have 2 of those.
Well, you'll have 3 for your extra.
In case like a unique comes out that lets you put like a ring on your necklace. Oh dang, I couldn't see anything because of the explosions and the loot.
Oh man.
Those guys are
Oh,
dangerous.
that was actually a map boss.
Oh yeah, they also have the lightning chains stuff, lightning thorns, and that'll wreck you pretty well. I suggest
Oh, that shit's hurting. Oh man, my HP.
Whatever, I'm full anyways.
Got some questions for me?
Yeah, Clarissa, how much is this shit worth?
I can't even get close. Well,
Grover,
yeah, I'm out of last charges.
I need fucking gloves, man. Where's the fucking golf shoes? Life. Nah. Sell it all. It's alright. Temporary exchange. Are the bosses dead?
2 of them are dead.
Alright. I'll just get the next map.
I have 400 HP left. Oh boy.
I'm full on rares.
I haven't picked up anything yet. I might change that.
Originally, I was gonna buy like the 4 locos, but the last time I tried drinking 2 4 locos in one night, I painfully learned the next day that I'm not black enough to drink 2 4 locos in one night. It's
Isn't that stuff like banned in some states?
Yep,
How much percent is it?
12.
Oh, okay.
It's like a strong wine.
Well, that's profitable.
Oh dang, 270s.
3.
Very nice. Well, yeah, I have one in my inventory right now. I'm about to alch it.
Okay. Anyways, the map's up in my lab instance.
I really like this one.
That's a lot of
This
quantity.
fog map.
LE reflect. We could get through it. We could take out 6 packs
Oh
of
fuck!
guys.
Yeah, wait, no, never mind. LE reflect. Fuck.
It's besides that, it's a really good map though.
Yeah, it's something for
Besides
face
the
breakers.
biggest problem.
Besides the problem that we can't do it at all. It's a pretty good map, I'd say.
I have scourings. I'm gonna try one more time.
Don't scour it. Don't scour it.
Why not?
It's not worth it. Like, we can still run it, just not with these characters.
Alright.
Besides, you're still level 67. Like, it's not worth it to run with your guys anyway.
No. The most important part though is it's fun.
Well, we could try to run it. I don't mind losing all of my experience.
No. I don't mean with these characters, but hence my idea of scouring it and re-alching it. It's not worth it, but I want to run higher level maps.
Yeah, you should probably get to level like 75-ish before you start doing like 70s.
It's got the technology.
Here, I alched it, scoured it, alched it.
It's
Now we
better.
have this. Yeah, much better. Should we do it?
We're already
We're in
inside
the
the
map
map.
right now.
Oh, right, okay. What, you're already inside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm slow. Okay, coming. Hello, lonely portals. Oh, hey guys. See, it's a party.
blackguards in like every single map we've done.
It's racist.
RNG, man.
Should be African American guards.
That's
Wow.
top score.
And the bad pun of the day award goes to.
I thought I was bad with saying I wasn't black enough to drink Four Locos. No, sir, you have beaten me.
But that was kind of a compliment for black guys, right?
I don't know.
African Americans.
I'm sorry, yeah.
I don't get racism. I lived in Bolivia for a really long time, and I was like always, El Gringo, El Gringo. So I was like a little white kid with like blonde hair.
Blue eyes.
No, brown. I enjoy the walks on the beach. Hang out on the sunset.
Unicorns.
Yeah, some unicorns, obviously. Some
World
bronies.
peace. Bronies, even.
Last one.
Dude, that show has like the greatest animation. So
Fuck
cool.
yeah. And morals.
Wait, no, you don't come up.
We're slowly pressing him into the ever-larging stain on the floor. I think we split up.
I think we should still share charges though.
Yeah, we do still share charges, but it's like two different groups. We still blow everything up.
Yeah, I'll discharge on some urns. I don't give a
Fuck
damn
yeah.
whose remains they were.
Hey guys.
Oh, hey.
Yo.
Yeah, we pretty much cleared all that.
Ooh, an iron ring. That's the best kind of ring. For selling for chaos orbs.
Only if it's yellow.
Or get a good roll and use it on your face breaker.
Dude, I would not
There's
want
that.
to identify those. It's a better idea to get resists because the tiny amount of damage you get from the iron ring.
Tiny?
Is,
Tiny?
what? The tiny? It's 1 to 4.
1 to
my
4
face breaker.
multiplied by 10.
Well, I already have like, what, like 70 to 140 damage.
Get inside the boss room. Maps are hard.
Boss room what? Where?
It's in the middle.
Yeah.
The big
Oh,
room in
really?
the middle.
Oh, okay.
I think he died.
Yeah, I think he did. Well, there's not much left to identify. Are we done?
Yeah, we're done.
I think so.
Alright, yeah, I've got the next one. It's at level 70 map.
Alright.
See, I want to see a few level 71 or level 72 maps from that, and everything will be happy. Fine and dandy.
Oh man, I got this sweet thicket bow.
I'm sure Hargan is going to be really happy with it.
Item level 69. That's how you know it's good.
Come over here.
For selling. I've been looking for rare gloves for the longest time for the Chaos Orb recipe. Just can't seem to find them.
I got those. I'll trade you for an amulet or a ring.
No, I like my rings. The limiting factor in the Chaos Orb is unidentified rings and amulets.
Yep, absolutely.
Good dog.
Alright, I'm back at the lab.
Drag my
The new one's up.
into the bog. Get in the bog.
This will be good.
That is tasty,
Wow.
low class
A
beer.
bog. Oh god, is this gonna have charged chickens? The undead charged chickens? I will shit myself.
They just freeze him with cold snap.
I will still shit myself.
That's not what you do. You discharge. Come on, man.
Rectally.
Discharge yourself.
Rectally.
I can't see shit.
Dude, with Jackie Chan and like the Dark Ray vectors, those boots are so irritating. Cause like they have no movement speed, unless you have frenzy charges, and you
Right,
can't
right.
see shit.
His bits aren't that great.
Well, they give an extra frenzy
Yay,
charge,
tropical
which
island
is
map.
like 2,000 DPS with single target and like 1,000 with multi-target. It also provides dodge chance since I have acrobatics that actually they aren't as bad as you might think. Oh dude, a 72 dropped.
Really?
Yeah, waste cool.
Where?
Oh, I picked it up.
Alright.
Oh man. Some bones.
Bones of Ullr.
Should probably chisel that map.
How the fuck do you pronounce these?
Oh, yeah.
Ullr? Ullr?
It's like Nordic, I think. Ullr.
Nordic, yeah.
I'm quite partial to Ullr myself.
Yeah, I have no idea how to pronounce those boots.
Just pretend you have something Swedish in your mouth and try to say it. It'll work.
So I drink all this 40 and then I try to pronounce it and it's correct.
Yeah. It'll be correct.
Maybe.
Even if it isn't, I'll think it's correct.
And of course,
Skin
that's
that
the
for
only
yourself.
thing that matters.
Of course, if you think it's correct, it is correct. That's how this world works. Have you never seen politics? I'm getting all these 66 maps. Oh wait, you had a 71, right?
Yeah, trade with me.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This guy's so fast.
Yeah, thank you. Awesome, then it's worth it.
That's way
The
worth it.
Oaks. Yeah.
Should chisel that thing too.
Like, after this map, I'll be taking a short break, but after that, we could probably run it.
If you want to.
Basically, I just wanna. I haven't ran
Yeah.
I haven't done beyond level 70 yet, so I just want to do it for the sake of having done it. So I don't really care, even if it's a big waste. I'm sure we can have fun with it.
What map was it?
Waste pool?
Superior waste pool, yeah.
It's a bad map.
Really? Then might as well run it. Just not yet. I'll be taking a short break, so just do like 1 or 2 without me. Then I'll be back. Got a few things to do
I
here.
think it's clear.
Yeah, it looks like it. Let's vamoose. Alright, yeah, I'll be back in a bit. Take care, guys.
See ya.
Alright, later. Oh, malt liquor 40s. It's like you know me.
Wait, what map was that?
Welcome to San.
What, that map? The one
The 72?
the waste pool.
Oh, Waste Pool. Waste Pool is one of the best maps.
Sweet. We could either run it un-ID'd and magic, or we could alch it and get some actual known stats.
You definitely want to alch it.
Okay.
And potentially chaos it so you get like a maze.
Maze that shit.
Maze it up. Oh god, it's so many chaos though.
I can chip in like 3
Or
or
it's
4.
so few chaos.
Oh, it depends on your luck.
You're gonna get magic monsters, rare monsters, and maze on the first or second roll.
I mean, first or second 100 roll.
Not to mention pack size.
Yes, and crack size as well.
Yeah, just load up like 10 affixes on it.
Bro, just exalt the map if you don't get them on the first try.
Yeah.
I got 2 exalteds, but I don't want to use them on that. I'd rather just buy higher level maps. Even then, I don't really want to buy higher level maps anyways. I'm buying content! Yay! It seems so, I don't know. It seems just to defeat the point.
Like, what are the chances that you'll actually get the same value in drops?
Well, sometimes it's like done to do, like, to raise your map base, I guess, because, you know, you're not gonna find a tons of 77s in a fucking, like, 72 map, you know?
But the problem is, like, every single map I've done, like, above 70 has almost never yielded any maps. Like, 72 is like my glass ceiling. Like, I've done a lot of 70s, 71s, and 72s, and never gotten a 73. And even, like, the 70s, 71s, and 72s I've gotten have just been really empty anyways. Like, I don't even get, like, 66s or anything from them. They just don't drop any maps.
I've done 2 73s, the one with the Golem boss, and, like, both times I've done it, they've just been huge disappointments.
Yeah.
Well, how much currency have you invested in those maps?
What, like the higher level maps?
Yeah.
I cast them a couple of times. Get like the kind of right mods. or the mods you should get. But apparently for me, running white maps tends to be just as productive as running magic maps. Like, I don't know.
That's because your luck is all weird.
Oh no, I got like silver luck. It's not golden. It's almost there though.
Well, you found a Combs, which automatically makes you like
Yeah,
an anomaly.
I chanced to combs, you know, whatever. Yeah. I don't even know what the fuck to do with it. It's like, I don't have a use for it. I don't play characters up to
Sell it.
level 90.
You could just trade it for like a chevrons
I don't even
or
know.
a 6-link.
Gosh, I just don't even know what to do with it. I just, like vendoring it off seems like the best idea. At least to me.
Like, I think it's only gonna go down. You probably should just sell it, and if you're not gonna use it.
Do whatever makes you happy.
Vendor it for 6 alchemy shards, buy a new stash tab. Just fill every single slot with a single wisdom scrap, and then in the middle is just 6 alchemy shards. Be like that.
That makes you happy.
That was a combs.
And then, like, every day when you start off playing, you can just open that tab up and, like, chant to it a few times.
Oh yeah, making my first tab.
You could be the world first vendored comb.
World's first vendored combs. Oh, I'd do it too. Anyway, someone have a map lined up, or should I grab one line?
Yeah, we're already inside.
Oh, okay. Getting distracted. Mountain ledge. Silver branch.
It's actually my first one.
Reflect. I mean, you haven't found like a silver branch pre-patch? Like the most common unit.
Yeah, I've never found one.
Great.
Yeah, I had one, and, like, I didn't need it at the time, and I let someone borrow it pre-patch, and, like, the day before the damn patch came out, and so now it's a legacy item, and fuck me.
Yeah, they're not that useful.
Yeah, you're not gonna get that much out of it.
And pretty much it's just for rushing up to like level 50. Because it just works because poison arrow scales so well. And it has +2 bow gems, and when you use it you have infinite mana.
Yeah, I just pretty much wish I had it for the point of it, so it's a legacy item, you know, like, I don't know.
You could
The
check
only
mine.
legacy item in the game right now, you know?
Two
Oh,
uniques.
Christopher Andis and some Grim Sorrows. And a unique grotto map. Or a rare. So OP. Who wants it?
Oh, nice. Where's
I can
map?
run that. It's mine.
Let's run it on
Run it,
IMDb.
let's run it on ID. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. That delicious 30% quantity.
Ooh. I don't think there are really any map mods that are going to kill me. Like, blood magic isn't that bad.
Ellie Reflect. It's probably the big one.
Well, if it's that, then I guess I grab another character and just take it.
Man, 3 uniques dropped this map.
All of them like the
It's clear.
lowest level uniques.
Don't be dissing my pine buckler.
Dude, Crest of Parandus is like the best shield. It has a 40% block chance, and a good health roll, and like 30 lightning resistance. It's great.
Yeah, it's really good for like facebreaker.
It will go nicely with my collection.
Oh my god, I have some unidentified rare gloves. +2 chaos orbs. Oh yeah, I was gonna augment that. You could have been good. Grab.
What are you up to?
Got
Selling.
another high life build.
Labs up.
Oh, nice build. Helm, belt, amulet, and ring.
Got some questions for me?
Give me your orbs. Chaos.
It's low quantity.
Not minus max. Wait, you have a level 20 purity? Nice. Doesn't seem like it's any of the crazy map mods. Does not reflect. I think we're good to go!
I think they have extra cold damage.
Gotta get some kind of mastermind that's got all the values memorized, and then you just try to divide up what the quantity of the map is in your head.
But you don't know how many modifiers there are.
Yeah,
That's true.
Yeah, but certain numbers can only be reached with a certain kind of modifier.
that's a large problem set.
Yeah, yeah. That's why you need a mastermind.
These two flasks landed next to each other, so I read it as like Sacred Life Granite Flask. I was like, what the fuck? Die pot.
Holy crap.
I think if there was like one final discharge guy who was using a wand and frenzy, I think that would be the final thing we need for the ultimate discharge group.
Yeah.
I don't know. More people would just be using Blood Bridge. I think the boss room is to the left.
I agree with you.
What? Double boss.
A maelstrom staff.
I'm like full of rares. Anyone have space? I'm going back.
No, no space.
I haven't gotten this one before.
Oh my
Holy fuck.
god, that's nice. That's like 8 exalts.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
It's not 8 exalts.
What is it?
Well, if it's properly linked up, it is.
It's like 3 or 4 exalts.
Oh, there.
Wow. That's more than I ever had combined.
Yeah, but that's a really sought after staff.
How you doing?
Hooray!
Wait, it's even got high mods. It's got a perfect cold damage roll.
Okay,
Torrents?
it's worth more than that then.
And it's got 43. It rolls, I think, what, 30 to 50? Or is it 40 to 50 spell? Either way, it's like 93%, and the highest you can get is 100. Nice.
Oh, wow.
What are we
I'm
talking about?
so happy!
Terran Shiver.
Oh, yeah.
That
You were just
staff.
added them together. I was like, what the fuck has a 90 to 100?
That staff with a fucking... Okay. You know the freeze node next to the shadow tree? The one with like the 5% chance to freeze on hit with cold damage?
Oh, yeah.
I think that node is completely fucking broken. And Terran Shiver has an 8% chance to freeze enemies on hit with cold damage. On an item.
Yeah, but most people who use it are spellcasters. Not all.
Yeah. And you hit them with cold damage and it freezes them.
Yeah, but most people will already have like crit if you're going like cold caster.
Well, yeah, it's on top of crit, but it applies on hit. So if you have like a LMP freeze pulse, you effectively have, what, an 8%, almost like a 24% chance per cast of freezing guys. And that's per enemy. I mean, basically it turns like an LMP'd freeze pulse into a cold snap.
I mean, it's not too different from static blows. I mean, in the fact that it's just giving you the elemental effect for a base chance, you know?
Yeah, but it's, dude, it's very, very broken.
It's basically for people who use combs. Don't
Yeah,
have a 6 slot.
It is a staff as well.
That map yielded less maps in your white map.
We got items. We got a Terran Shiver.
Guess it was worth it.
It was like the highest single value item I've seen besides line I dropped in a map one time. Pissed me off actually. It was just me and one other guy, and then the other guy was AFK. I fucking popped the portal, we killed the first boss, and then he must have zoned in like 5 seconds before I culling strike the second boss, and he gets the fucking lion I've dropped. Guy was AFK the whole map.
Well, this is why I don't play with other people. Get all the drops.
But then again, there are more drops, so like your personal chance of getting a good drop doesn't change. I think it's actually better.
You actually get less drops. Individually.
Yeah.
You do? I thought it was.
Each additional person adds 50% quantity.
Yeah.
Ah.
So base quantity is 100%, right? If you're by yourself. So with two people, it's 150%. So each person is 75%.
Yeah.
And it gets worse the more people you have.
Alright, I'm gonna restart the capture.